Welcome back. This is Abena'sKitchen. Today we are preparing a very special fried rice dish. You need some boiled rice and turkey, chopped onion, eggs, spring onions, light soy sauce, some stock and cooking oil. Make sure the rice is cool. It's better if you prepare it a day before. You can use any meat you want, but I like turkey breast in this recipe. I've got some chopped spring onions and the usual onion, some stock from the meat for my turkey, and 1 egg, 3 eggs. And last but not the least, some light soy sauce. Preheat some cooking oil and fry your meat. It shouldn't turn brown. Just give it a little fry. Take them out and put them aside. Add your onion and fry them for a minute or so. Only the yellow onion. The spring onions will be added later at the end. Make some way for the eggs and put them in. Just wait for a minute or two, then you stir everything up. Then some scrambled eggs. Add your rice, but don't add everything at once. Just add maybe 2 or 3 scoops. Then you put in your stock from the meat and some soy sauce. You mix everything together and you start the process again. Having all the rice at once makes it quite difficult to mix. Add the meat when you finish putting in all the rice. And then your spring onions. have any question or request, just leave a comment below. Yes, it's yummy, very, very yummy. Thank you for watching. See you next time on my next video. Bye bye. Please comment, like, share and subscribe to Abena'sKitchen. Don't forget to like our Facebook page.